So what's up everyone, today I've got a brand new model. This is gonna be my first unboxing video on my channel. So here's the box, it's a package, so let's unbox it right now. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so there we go. Alright, let's start right here. This model came from Hong Kong, so yeah, I got it from Hong Kong. It delivers like probably they was delivering for me like 2 weeks, and it just came today for me. So yeah, I'm pretty happy to see, because I didn't get models for a few months. So let's see what's inside. What's the inside? Yay, that's it. This is what I need. This is what I need. Alright, so let's continue. Actually, I just don't know where to unbox it, because it's like, like pretty hard. I can do it somewhere where I can do it. Oh, right here. Alright. So there you go. Yeah, this is what I need. Yeah, so it's nothing more in the box, so it's like empty right now. And let's see what we're gonna hear. So guys, this is Boeing 747 Dreamlifter from Hogan Models. So I got this model, like I already told you, like probably 2 weeks ago. This model, like, it's like pretty good, and why I decided to buy this model, because it's like I like pretty unusual aircrafts, and I just saw this beauty on the eBay, and I just decided to buy, so yeah. So right here it says Boeing 747 Dreamlifter, scales 1/200 scale, and Hogan brand. So honestly, the box is pretty heavy, so we'll see. So here's specifications: the wingspan, the length, the height, and cargo volume. So Hogan brand and Dreamlifter logo. It's similar to Dreamliner's logo, so yeah, let's unbox it. Alright, so I think I even didn't use scissors, I can unbox it by my hands. Yeah. Right, there we go, and yeah, let's see what's inside. Let's see, like, this box, like, with more details, because I want to show you what's in there. Alright, so yeah, here's the box already without the package, So here's some notifications, a dual collectible model, Warning, contain small parts not suitable for children under 14 years. And here's Boeing logo and officially list product. So yeah. So the back of the box, it says right here. So yeah, I already showed you. And right here it says what you can see on the small, so highly detailed prints, graphenes. I don't know how to spell this word. So yeah, you just can read it. I'm gonna leave it like that for a couple seconds. Alright. So what's a good thing that this one will have a gears, because honestly I don't like models without gears, because you can't just look it without gears. And yeah, there you go, this is a model. Wow, so beautiful, honestly, I like it. So let me show you right here. Right here is a model. Honestly, it's like pretty long, you know. I thought it's gonna be shorter, but no, it's not. So yeah, it's pretty beautiful. Alright. So let's see right here. We got fuselage. Wow. This is actually really beautiful, as you can see right here. This is registration number, Boeing logos, with a title, yeah, Dreamlifter logo and titles. So yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, I really like it. Alright, so let me show you a wing. It's right over here. See the engines. So yeah, it's highly detailed. Yeah. So right here is the tail. Yeah, it's pretty good too, you know. And here's a back wings. I don't know how to call it on English, but you know, I just call it back wings. So right here. And last wing. Let me take a graph from here. Right here. That's pretty beautiful. I don't see some. Oh, it's a green light. Yeah, it's a green right here. As you can see, right here is a red light, and right here is green light. Yeah. And on the back of the box, we got a stand with the gears. So yeah, right here. So this is Boeing 747 LCF. It's like no sure the name for this aircraft. And let me put all parts together for this aircraft. Good. Here we go. And wait. And there you go. Yeah. So over here, and let's put a tail. Oh god. probably don't know how to put it because I don't want to break it, you know. So let me show you right here. See, I put it like first part right here, and I don't want to break it the second part, you know. And yeah, so let me try to do it. Let me try to do that. No. Wait. Oh god. I did something wrong. Oh my god. Yeah, I did wrong step, you know. I should put it like together. So let me see the gears. I'm not gonna leave it the tail like that. I will put it right. So first, let's see what's inside. All the gears. Right here. Alright, there we go. The gears of this aircraft. And yeah, that's it. That's empty right now. So let me trash it away. Alright, I don't know what I should do with the tail because honestly I don't want to break it. So let me try. Oh! Alright, yeah, right here I put it. Oh yeah, this model is like, you know, like it's pretty ugly, but it's also like gorgeous. It's really gorgeous, you know. So let me put the gears on. Let me put the gears on right here. No, first let's put this one right over here and the noise gear. Yeah, it's called the noise gear. Right. So let me put these gears right here. And what I don't like in a Hogan models brand, that it's really hard to put gears on, you know. So let me put the gears on and I'll be back. So guys, I put the gears on this model. So right here I'm gonna show you noise gear and the main gears of this aircraft. So let me show you the stands, how it looks like. So right here it's in the package now. So let me unbox the stand first, and I'm gonna show you how it's look like. Right. So here's the stand right here. And there we go. And there we go. Alright, the stand is ready. The stand is ready. And if you wanna do a fly configuration, so right here, if you wanna do a fly configuration, you can use these gear doors for this, you know. But I always use I always use my models with the gears. So yeah, I like gears, you know. So yeah, and let me tell you a few words about this model. So honestly, this model is really good, guys. Unfortunately, it's like already really rare, you know, because you know it's like pretty old in a Hogel brand, and yeah, you probably can find some in the internet and buy it. But you know, it's like this model is like really rare because it's like the Hogan have it like in a 400 scale and 200 scale, and I just, you know, like 400 scale, it's the models in 400 scale, they are not rare. So yeah, and but the models in a 200 scale, like this that I got, they pretty rare, you know. And you just, you know, like this model, honestly, it's like really cool and really nice. It looks a bit ugly, you know, but I like it, you know. Honestly, I like it. So let's see the engines. They must spin because you probably don't see anything. You probably don't see anything, so yeah, they do spin, so as you can see. And the fourth engine, the second on the wing, yeah, use this spin. Yeah, so they are all spin. They are all spin, and that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Yep. Alright, so let me show you some detail of this model. So right here in the front is a Boeing logo and Boeing titles. Right here some windows, you know. Right here is captain, and the emergency door for pilots if something will happen, you know. They just can, you know, go away from, you know, like from this door. So right here is fuselage, Dreamlifter, and Dreamlifter's logo. It's like always the same as Dreamliner's logo. So right here is the wing and a red navigation light. Oh god. Focus. Alright, you probably can see it now. See this red dot? Right here it's a red navigation light. So yeah, right here is the registration number. Come on, focus. It's good. don't know what happened, but I don't want to focus, Oh, right here. So it's N780BA, and the same thing right here on the back side. So right here is a tail. Nothing pretty interesting, like right here. And the same thing on the other side, but it's already with the cargo doors right here. And so on this side. And here we got a green, green navigation light right here. Oh no, it's probably anti-collision light. I'm not sure about that, so sorry guys if I said it wrong. So the same thing about other wing, the red navigation light, or probably anti-collision light. So right here is a Boeing and Boeing logo. And let's see underneath aircraft. So right here is a noise gear, right here is main gears, a hole for stands, a Hogan logo, and right here is a wing, flaps, ailerons, right here on the same side, engines, and right here. And so on top of that aircraft, right here is cockpit. Right here is probably this one right here probably is a green navigation or red navigation light. I don't know. So right here is a wing, and right here is another one. Right here is the back of the aircraft. So a few words in conclusion. A few words about this model. Honestly, guys, this model is amazing. I'm really happy to get it today. So if you're interested in that, come on, get it, because like it's really good, and it's like very cool looking. It's weird a little bit. It's like beluga, like European beluga, but it's really nice. It's really nice. So I know it's like the first thing is it's really hard to find an internet, because I already told you that it's really rare model, really rare model. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate that. I hope you liked it. And this was my first unboxing video, so thank you very much again, and I'll see you next time.